Hey everyone, this is Tino from Townsteel. Today we'll be going over a step-by-step guide on how to install our Aegis series SLM board lock. Designed for security and safety in mind, the Aegis series is perfect for schools, hospitals, nursing rooms, and retail. Without further ado, let's go into all the parts that come with your locks. Included in your lock will be the following: 4 mounting plate screws, 2 security torque screws, wood and metal screws for your strike and your faceplate, your latch, mounting plate, spindle and spindle screw, your strike, the inside assembly, the outside assembly, installation instructions, door templates, and a plastic drill guide. For keyed functions, you will receive a pair of keys. For privacy functions, you will receive 2 tools for emergency release. Please keep in mind we recommend not using any power tools or equipment when installing the lock, as this may damage components. Before installation, let's begin by assuring the door is templated correctly. For retrofit installations, we do have a plastic drill guide. Simply place the guide with your pre-existing 2 1/8 cylindrical bore hole. Ensure that the plastic guide is aligned with the hole and drill accordingly. For dimensions and specifications, please refer to our marker template. First, we'll begin by installing our latch and spindle. Our locks are handed right hand or left hand. If your application requires a reverse handing, now is the time to set that by facing the latch in the correct orientation for your door swing. Screw the latch into the pocket without tightening. This leaves play in the latch to allow the lock to align itself later when installing the assemblies. With the latch installed, we can simply insert the spindles on both sides and tighten together with the spindle screw. Now we can move on to the outside assembling and mounting plate. You will notice that there are 4 posts on the latch portion of this outside assembly. Ensure that these posts go through the latch and the latch is seated properly within these posts. If needed, use your screwdriver to press the latch and seat it properly. Using the mounting plate and screws provided, align the plate with the 4 posts and tighten the outside assembly and mounting plate onto the door. To complete the installation, verify that the status indicator is displaying the same message on both assemblies. Align the inside assembly with the latch spindle and the thumb turn spindle and secure with the mounting screws provided. Once both assemblies are installed, you may now tighten the latch all the way. Now that the installation is complete, keeping the door open, check the lock for correct operation. Rotate the inside thumb turn and the outside key to ensure that the unit locks and unlocks properly. Make sure that the indicator is moving correctly to show the right door status. The latch bolts should extend and retract without any binding. Congratulations, you have successfully upgraded your opening to a more secure and safer solution. For more information on other functions available or other school security offerings, please visit www.townsteel.com.